Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to send video message on Telegram. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open our Telegram application on our phone. And then we're going to open a group chat or personal chat on our Telegram. And for example, I'm going to open my personal chat, this one. Just tap on the personal chat or the group chat to open it. Then after that, we can tap on this microphone button to switch it to the camera button. Okay, and after that, if you want to send a video message, you just need to tap and hold on this camera button like this. And once you release the button, the video will be sent. Okay, and now the video message is being sent, and that's how we can send video message on Telegram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye!